Hi everybody out there in social media land. We have Stephanie here, and Stephanie performed at the student concert 2 Sundays ago, and you've got some photos there, and we critiqued your lesson last week as well too. So how did you think that you went, Steph, at the student concert? How did you think that your performance was?
Good.
Good. Did you have fun performing at the student concert?
Yes.
And was that your second time or third time?
Third.
Third. Excellent. Fantastic. And do you think that your voice progressed, like, we're working up the songs for the student concert, like a month beforehand? Did you think that they progressed really well?
Yes.
Going from, like, we didn't know them to perform them really well? Because there are only a couple of little things when we were assessing it last week that we had to work on. And we went over it with a fine-tooth comb. There are only a couple of little things there, so you're pretty happy with that, huh? Excellent. Alrighty. 9-year-old Steph performed at the student concert. If you want singing lessons, we take on all ages. Check out the links below. Bye for now. Say bye, Steph. Bye-bye. Thank you.